Welcome back. In continuation of our last video, I will now explain the structure of the lessons, which we've called modules. Each lesson has roughly around 4 to 5 modules. Let's go over this lesson here. As you can see here, you have 4 modules, which each one, if you click on them, have a drop down. Let's start with observation. Observation is the introduction to the topic of the lesson. Here we will sparkle the curiosity of the student. This will engage the student to create a reaction towards the topic. The next one is explore. Here we give a challenge and give them the tools to find a solution to each challenge. This is where they will break out into small groups if you'd like. And at the end of this module, the students will discuss what strategies they use to have a class discussion. The third one in this particular lesson is called Stop Before You Hit Someone. And you'll have different titles for this module. Sometimes it'll be called Drive or Goal, depending on the lesson that you've picked. But usually this module is for simulation and the robot, which means this is where the student will be able to check their answers or their solutions to the challenge by comparing it to the simulation. They can reflect on what they've done and reiterate to each other what solutions they've used as a small group. The fourth module in this lesson, we've called it What You've Learned, or we can also call this a review of what we've just learned. This is where they will reflect on what concepts they understood and how much of the concepts did they really grasp. This will provide a safe space for the students to give feedback to the teacher. So now you as a teacher have a better understanding of the class's performance and what you need to do to focus more on or prepare better for the next class. That concludes our second video. Thank you.